What chill at?
Right over there.
Bruh. White, get up, man. Y'all late.
What?
Man, we've been calling y'all all day.
It's time for the show?
Man, let's go. It's big time.
It's a video, man. Shit. Grab my shoes. You good?
He dead.
Nah, man, he does this all the time. You think? Hey, fuck it, man. Help me get him.
Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. I'm turned up to the maximum. Liquor flowing, kush blowing. OG White is what we smoking. Michigan is where it's growing. Popped another half a bar. Now I am an animal. Looking for a freak to eat. Tonight I am a cannibal. Two mollies, orange juice. I'm loose cause I'm on Crown and Goose. I'm super trippy, vision blurry. I barely know what I should do. My heart is pumping, pupils vibrating back and forth inside my head. I still go harder than most of the people I know, and I know I should be dead on the other side of the galaxy. I'm sitting on Jupiter's moon. I'm out my fucking mind high, and I ain't coming down no time soon. Shout out to Juicy J, cause he just passed me in a flying saucer. Knob is broken over my right shoulder is where I just tossed her. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. For what?
Yeah.
For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down.
Hit the club and turn it up. Throw that bag and burn a blunt. It's hot as fuck up in this club. I swear to God, I'm burning up. I'm on my level. I'm high as fuck. Wake up in the morning feeling like I got hit by a truck. Yeah, bitch, you know. And this is what I do, ho. I popped another Molly, now I'm on my way to Pluto. I'm bouncing through the club with my middle fingers up, singing. If you don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck. I got people over here, I got people over there. Start a ride in this bitch. Fuck around and throw a chair. Will you beat him to the floor in the club?
I sure will.
Hottest white boy in the game, and now